Hello children, good morning. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. And due to the weather conditions, we are again back to our online classes. And as you know that we have done yesterday this topic about the feathers. We have drawn these 3 types of feathers as well in our notebooks. Today we will start a new topic, that is how do birds fly? Right, so I think you might have seen a bird flying number of times, right? So you know that. Can you tell how the birds fly? Yes, of course, birds do fly with the help of their wings, right? So wings are very strong. Again, wings are attached to the number of muscles present in the wings, right? So attached to their body, which are known as flight muscles. The muscles which are attached to the wings, they are known as flight muscles. Now you might understood about the muscles, like your arms are having muscles, biceps, triceps, right? So in the same case, birds are also having muscles to fly. These muscles attach the wings to their body. I already told you the wings are attached with a number of muscles which are very strong because they have to use them a lot. That's why their strongness is required a lot, right? So these muscles are attached to the wings to their body. The birds flap their wings in upward and downward direction, right? So it is saying that birds are flying when they are flapping their wings. Like you see in this picture, bird is flying, right? And it is flapping its wing. Flapping means to flutter their wings again in front and backward direction, right? So this is the upstroke and this is the downstroke. Means when the bird is raising their wings in the up direction. Like see, the birds are raising their wings in the up direction. This is called upstroke. And when the birds are flying their wings or flapping their wings in the down direction, this is known as downstroke. Simple as that. When in the up direction, that is upstroke. When in the down direction, that is downstroke. I hope you understood, but still if you have any doubt, you can come across to me on the same time as our school timing from between 8 a.m. to 8:40. I will be present there. If you have any doubt regarding upstroke, downstroke or any of the topic covered today, you can call me up, right? The wings, let us move on. The wings move upward and backward in upstroke, and as they move downward and forward in downstroke. These strokes lift the bird into the air and the birds fly. Now with the help of upstroke and the downstroke, the birds are flying, right? Before this topic, you might have seen birds flying. You also know that birds fly with the help of wings, but which process making them fly? This is the thing we have learned today, right? So these are the 2 movements of wings which help them to lift in the air, right? Upward and backward, downward and forward directions, strokes which help them to fly. Now, stroke means to flap the wing quickly. That is known as stroke, right? What is the meaning of a stroke? To do something with a jerk. To jerk the wings quickly. This is the meaning of stroke, right? Now, let us come again about this thing. I hope you understood. I tried my best to explain this topic, but still, you can, if you have doubts, you can come across. Next, vultures and kites can fly very high. Now see, vultures, hawk are the birds which can fly very high. Sparrows fly very low, right? I hope you must are reading the books with me. You must are having books in front of you also, and you are keeping your fingers on the page or on the word that I am reading also, so that you could understand quickly. Book reading is very important, right? So you must underline the words upstroke, downstroke, right? Stroke word you can underline, vulture and kites you can underline, right? Pigeons and crow have strong flight muscles. You must underline the word flight muscles also, and can fly long distances. Now see, pigeons and crow are the birds which are having, all birds are having flight muscles very strong, right? But they are having a little more stronger than others, and they can fly long distances. They can fly very long distances. Hens and peacocks can fly only a short distance. Now see, peacock are having very long feathers, but along with it, its body is also somewhat heavy regarding any other bird that can fly, right? So they can fly, no problem. But they can fly for short duration only, for short distance only. Like you see, only 100 or 200 meters only, right? They can fly, right? In the same case, hen's body is also very heavy. So it can also fly for a less distance, for a short distance, for short duration, right? Now next, birds like penguins cannot fly at all because they have weak flight muscles and heavy bodies. However, they can easily walk on the ground and swim in water. Now see, as we have done in the topic of swimming birds, right? So there are birds which can swim as compared to flying, right? There are birds which can wade, which can walk, right? So in the same case, penguins are the birds, ostrich, penguin, emu. These are the common examples of the birds that cannot fly. These are called flightless birds because their body is very heavy, right? And the wings are smaller than their body, so they cannot keep the weightage of their body. So that's why they cannot fly. Instead of flying, they can do one thing, that is walking. And better than walking, they can do swimming, right? Next.